wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am using the things that I picked up during my Sephora spring saving event. So if you guys want to see what these products look like on my face, then let's go. So I already did my brows using this new Huda Beauty Balm Brows, I think is what it's called. This is in the shade 7. Yes, all that information will be linked down below, but I already did my brows off camera, so I'm just going to jump into my eyeshadow also from Huda Beauty. This is their Topaz Obsessions palette. I always want to try one of these little minis. So I'm going to, this is what it looks like. I'm going to jump into this, just this orange shade right here. And I'm just going to put that all over here. I'm gonna deepen that up with this brown shade and use it as my outer corner color. So start out here and then start bringing it out. I can't figure out which shade I want to be my lid color. I feel like this is too bright, but I want to do this one. And then this one's too, let me go with this shade right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna use that as my lid shade. Okay, she's cute. Like I told y'all, she's giving very, you know, this could be an everyday palette. Throw it on, go, since there aren't that many options. Moving on to primer. It's not new, but I'm going to use it because I'm using something else that is new. This is from Tatcha. It's their Silk Canvas Primer. Y'all know, like, this blew up 3 years ago? Might have been 3 years ago. Wow, time is moving, but I'm using this because I'm using their new, the Silk Powder. So I want to see what these two look like together on the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime. This is a good primer for me. I'm just saying, I have oily skin. I know other people who don't like it, but I liked it. So there's a new foundation to try today. It is from Nars. It's their new Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. I'm not gonna lie, I already cheated. I tried this the other day just because I couldn't wait. I wanted to try it. I have it in the shade Deep 1. Y'all, it's gonna be a summer foundation, okay? This is going to be a summer foundation that I use because, listen, especially since I mixed it with the Fenty powder foundation first. Don't sleep on it. I mean, because I feel like they're sleeping on it. They haven't even really been promoting this that hard. Y'all. Mind you, I was a little worried about what the color would look like, but I'm not worried anymore. And I'm just going to blend that out on my face. It smells like lemons. Random smell for a foundation, but that's what it smells like. Now to break out this bad boy, I've been pretty loyal to the honey powder from Laura ever since it came out, but you know, sometimes you just gotta try new things. This actually, no, I was gonna say this actually kind of looks like the color of Laura, but it's lighter. Laura is like honey. And then the last new thing I've tried today is from Melt. It is their new cream Blushlight. This is in the shade Sundown. Looks like that. And I'm just going to, pinch myself. And yeah, y'all, that is it for my face today. I am digging this finish, okay? The brow product, the one from Huda, no complaints. I'm usually not picky with those for obvious reasons. You know, it does what it has to do. I like the color of it, so no complaints on that one. Now, the eyeshadow palette from Huda, again, I feel like it's doing what I bought it intending to do. You know, very simple, easy, go about your business, throw it on, go about your business. I've now tried that compared to the larger palettes that she has, and I do agree with like a lot of the things I've heard people say that they like the mini compared to the bigger ones. I don't know if it's like a formula difference or if it's, you know, you don't have that many options or the pigment or stuff like that, but I just see myself reaching for this mini version, and I'll probably go check out the other ones that they have compared to the larger palette that I have from Huda's. And You know, again, I can wear the colors in there for more casual things, dress it up, that stuff. So I like that about it. And, you know, it is the size that it is, makes it travel friendly. The Nars foundation, listen, I don't know what it is, but Nars has been doing what they have to do with foundation launches lately. Like, I know a lot of people will say, well, they've been doing that with their foundations. But honestly, like, I didn't really care for their foundations before Soft Matte, except Sheer Glow. Sheer Glow was really the only one like I was going to ride for. The other ones, I've tried them. Not that impressed. Oh, they actually did have a skin tint, was it? Was it BB cream like years ago? But I think they might have discontinued it, and maybe it's because they were coming out with this one. But honestly, like before the Soft Matte that just came out, I was just kind of like, oh, they're okay. But they came out with the Soft Matte, now they've got this skin tint, and I really feel like I have everything I need from Nars when it comes to foundations now. So I've got the, you know, more natural, just beat finish with Sheer Glow. I've got the more matte, it's gonna keep your face matte throughout the day with Soft Matte. And now with this skin tint, I've got the, you know, your skin but better finish, you know, throw it on and go about your business with this new skin tint. So I'm good. Thought my camera stopped. I'm good with the Nars foundations. The powder, it looks nice, it has a nice finish, right? I feel like it's kind of giving me a glow to my face, but I'll have to let you know how it actually wears throughout the day.
Okay, y'all, so this powder is a no-go from me. I probably should have realized when I said I feel like I'm sensing a little glow here that this was not going to be it for me and my oily skin. Nice powder, beautiful finish on the face, works nice with the canvas primer as far as how it's going to look on your face, but she was just not made for my oily skin. I filmed another video after this one and I was already breaking down by the time I finished filming that video, which means like an hour-ish later I was already breaking down. You could see it in the other video. That video has been up and posted for a minute on my channel. Yeah, this is, at least as far as me looking for a powder that has oil control, that's gonna last on my face moving into summer, this is just not it for me. But you know, she's cute for like cute little pop on and go moment, but yeah, no.
Especially with it on top of silk canvas. And then the only other thing that was new that I tried was the cream blush from Melt. Ooh, hiccups, excuse me. I feel like it's like really close to my skin tone, so you're not seeing much, but I'm not mad at that. Again, you know, for those like just natural beat days, those days where you don't even want to wear foundation, that I could break this out for, or, you know, like on top of makeup, stuff like that too. But if you're looking for, you know, like blush, you're gonna see it on my face. I want you to see this red orange blush on my face and you're my skin tone, it's pretty much just gonna like blend in with that. But you know, other skin tones, you probably okay with it. I don't know what other, I don't remember. I know they have a more orangey one, so I kind of want to see what that one is, but this is like a sheer type of coverage. It's giving Fenty cream blushes. If you guys have tried those, if you've seen any of the videos of them, that's what this coverage is giving me. It also could be because it's a little more, you know, like my skin tone type blush, but the formula in general is giving like sheer, just supposed to, you know, give you a little something blush to your face. It's not giving like Rare Beauty type of blushes or the Laura blush. It's not giving that. And yeah, y'all, that was everything as far as makeup goes that I picked up during my Sephora haul. This is it on my face. I hope seeing it has helped. If you're thinking of checking this stuff out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.